got to be on one of these islands.
Oh shit.
Lauren! Yeah!
Lauren!
Quick shots! Oh, sorry.
Ah, that shot!
It was an island belonging to old Taylor. Just about the most fantastic.
I don't have any more.
You got the gun?
Where?
And now you see shining over.
That's quite the battle, Kev. What? Yeah, the average age of this group is 20. Nobody shoots! Oh. Yeah, that's right. Look like that.
It's everybody about happy and all the people they met. Tend to believe the year when all the fairy tales we know actually took place. What a wonderful world.
It's stuck to your camera. Tyler!
She busts out like this ginormous gun.
Oh! No, that's kind of a good Nerf gun. I got one behind the dope. Dope nugget.
Oh my god, my cheeks hurt.
Oh! Gabriel's going to magic. Snickers.
Oh, I lost one.
This poor doggy, I swear. Have you ever fired one gun while jumping through the air?
Alright, I think I'm done. But I'm gonna sneak past you, sorry.
Alright.
Oh, I got that.
Put Jenny Vision! That's mine. Look at that. How did that happen? Jordan! Yeah! That was perfect. They called your name and you like turned around and you went, what? What the fuck are all the different? You found the look out of the eye! That was a good little shake.
You almost just hit the baby! And it's your baby! Want it? You have baby?
I'm sorry you will. You dove that. You dove that. I'm reloading.
But the first chair was too hard.
That was so
Uh-oh, it's on now. Oh no, I need to go outside.
You see, Matt just got kicked while he was on the ground. You kicked him. Oh, your sister. Good. Matt just got shot like 3 times and then kicked.
Remember, oh my god, back! Oh my god!
Hey, Will. Wow.
Give me a go back!
Hold on.
I've been taken hostage.
This kid's will being drunk in front of grandma running for his money. Yeah, on New Year's Eve. It was Christmas Eve. Yeah, Christmas Eve, I apologize. It's too late. What the
Matt, don't even...
You would shoot? No, you got hiccups. I had those earlier. It was like 5 minutes. It was awful. Get away. Stick to your neck. Next time. Kill shot, kill shot.
Totally good. Right in the head.